What's going on, everybody? So today, in the famous words of Coach Q, I have a banger for y'all. So I've tried my best to let this thing go, but we are so close to bringing down this scammer in Vietnam. I just wanted to share something with y'all. We'll put the first screenshot up here, but this is about his right hand man, I guess. But if you'll read the screenshot, it actually says she. So if you'll remember the phone call that I talked about with a woman named Tammy that I had that said she worked with Andre, I honestly think it was him acting as a woman. Another thing I want y'all to notice from the screenshot is the addresses. One's in New York and one is in California. And I'm reading some stuff. Yeah, it's not a teleprompter, but so look at this screenshot. This is page 1 from his agreement. Shout out. I'll get it right in a minute. Sorry, y'all, I'm excited. Shout out to John Barnes for sending me this, but you'll notice it says Pinnacle Credit Repair, 106 East South 2nd Street, Brooklyn, Alabama, 11236. Okay. And the web address, secureclientaccess.com, is actually from Credit Repair Cloud. The next screenshot is basically just part of his agreements. All these are just parts of his agreements. I'll probably just pause it if you want to read everything. And this one right here, you'll notice there's no amount for a sign-up fee or a monthly fee or even a one-time fee. And it also shows that Alabama address. And I'm going to keep this as short as possible, guys. And on this page here, we also got the Alabama address. And if I'm shaking, I'm sorry, y'all, it's cold. And then I believe this may be the last one, or there's one more. But again, it's got that Alabama address. So the website shows New York and California, which there are no offices there. But when your clients sign up, they're signing up for a Pinnacle Credit Repair in Alabama. And that address, y'all fact check me, does not even exist. There is an address similar to that. It's like a house for sale for like 1.8 million. Maybe he owns it since he's a millionaire. But this is just a little bit of what's to come next. So stay tuned. I'm going to post this on my channel and David Stanley's channel. Y'all please share this everywhere y'all can. There's so many violations in this contract. It's just a basic contract that CRC gives you, and you just copy and paste your own information in there. But y'all be careful when signing up for these companies, because you're not supposed to just sign one contract. You're supposed to have a contract with all the details. Then you're supposed to have a credit card form to sign, then a federal and a state form to sign as well to be compliant. But there's very, very few companies that have you do this, because it costs money to have those contract and agreements written up for you. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.